I'm going to reveal 8 places you can go to find digital product ideas. In a video that I uploaded just a few days ago, I showed you how to sell digital products. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you where to find the best ideas so that you can start making money fast. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras to soundbars, stand mixers, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real make money online tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to 10daybusinessblueprint.com if you want to learn how to create and sell your first digital product in just 10 days. All right, so as I mentioned, we're going to get right into it. There's a bunch of places that you can go to find digital product ideas, but I'm going to show you the top 8. I'm going to show you how I go about finding different ideas so that I can start making money. The first and most obvious way is actually with Etsy, and there's 2 ways that I use Etsy. One, you can come to Etsy.com and you can type in something like downloadable, but there's a better way to use Etsy. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So we can go to downloadable like this, and then you can just peruse through, scroll through, and find different ideas. You can also type in template or planner or downloadable, download. Just type in keywords that are related to printable or instant download, and you can actually find it. But in my opinion, a better way to do it is to use a website called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid keyword tool that I use to help me find keywords and find information fast. So what I've done is I've typed in Etsy.com into the site Explorer. Next, I'm going to go over to the organic keywords. There's over 59 million of them. And again, I'm going to type in something like template. So template like this. I'm going to type in download, and I'm also going to type in SVG. Okay. And so when I hit enter, it's only going to return examples or phrases or keywords that meet that criteria. So as we see here, we have heart SVG, sunflower SVG, unicorn SVG. This helps strip away a lot of the other junk and helps us get right to things that are potentially low competition. Now, if we look at this, it says Berry Yoda SVG. It has a keyword difficulty of 2, and it gets 15,000 searches per month. Now, the keyword difficulty is a scale between 0 and 100. The closer you get to 100, the more difficult it will be for you to rank on Etsy or some of the other sites. But this is a great way to give us an idea of what's out there. Now, some of this stuff, unfortunately, is going to be safe for work, but look at this wedding program template. And this could actually help the wheels start spinning and start turning. And okay, so people are interested in different wedding stuff. What all could I package together and sell with regards to weddings? So this is a really cool opportunity. I like using Etsy. It is a paid tool. I think it's like $99 per month. You can cancel it anytime. So what I recommend that you do is get it for a month, do all of your research, and then get rid of it. But you don't have to use Etsy. It just cuts down on the length of time that it'll take you to actually find what you're looking for. So that's while I was editing this video, I realized that I actually missed another opportunity. And so one easy way to find digital product ideas, as you can see, I'm back over here on Etsy. I typed in downloadable, and we can look at the different Etsy shops. Now, once again, and I'll say this multiple times throughout the video, don't just steal other people's work. You want to make sure that you are creating original content so that you can make money. But if we look at this, we can scroll through the shop owner and see all the different ideas that they've come up with, and you can create some of these yourself. But this is a real easy way to find different ideas for your digital product business. Lots of good ideas in this one that you can actually sell directly to the consumer. Number 1 is actually with using Etsy. Number 2 is finding different ideas over on YouTube. Now, on YouTube, you have tons of people. There are all sorts of people out there. Now, what I've done is I just typed in Alyssa Rose. She's a really good YouTuber in the Etsy space. And what I recommend that you do is look at what your favorite YouTubers are selling. If we work through her channel here, we're going to see that she's selling a course and a membership where she's helping people build build a business on Etsy. And so you can do this exact same thing. Just find maybe 5 or 10 YouTubers that are within your niche, within your space, or within any niche, I guess. And then you simply will just look and follow the yellow brick road, so to speak, and see what they're ultimately selling. And then you can reverse engineer and do it too. Now, obviously, I'm not asking you or saying that you should copy people directly, but if this is working for a large YouTuber like her, this can also work for you as well. But find any YouTuber. You can type in your niche. What if your niche is in something like woodworking, like that? And again, this is going to give you a bunch of ideas if you just look through these different YouTube channels and see where their links are following you. And that actually brings me to a different idea. This is going to be a bonus tip. You can use a website like ClickBank. All right, so ClickBank is a website that you can go to sell affiliate products. Affiliate marketing, which is outside the scope of this video, is recommending or selling other people's products. But if you're looking for digital product ideas, you can sign up and take a look at all of the different places, all of the different opportunities that are out here. So I'm over here in the marketplace. Just click marketplace at the top, and on the left hand side are all of the different categories. If there's a niche that you're interested in, maybe you're interested in home and garden, we can take a look and see what is offered in home and garden. Look at this. There are all sorts of things that you could potentially create. Look at Ted's Woodworking actually came to me when I was looking at this channel right here. But you can see Ted's Woodworking is a popular product over on ClickBank, and you could create something yourself and sell it. My shed plans. So what I'd recommend that you do is sign up for ClickBank. It's 100% for free. Head on over to the marketplace and just take a look at all of the different products. Look at this one, weddings pops up once again. We could potentially look and see what's out there for weddings and create something our own or create something even better. Look at wedding speeches for all. That's interesting. And you could create this and have something up and running by the weekend. But getting back to my main point, we could take a look at different YouTube channels and find what they're doing, and again, reverse engineering. Another way is to look at popular blogs. Now, this is my blog, austingodbolt.com. Feel free to check it out. Now, over here, I've got business tools. If I click on business tools like this and get rid of this ad, get out of here, Mr. Ad. And you can see I have a list of the digital products that I am actually selling or giving away. And all of the biggest blogs that are selling digital products is going to have a page like this. And so you, once again, can reverse engineer, follow the yellow brick road and see what they're doing. And then you can actually make it better. Another way that you can find digital products is going over to Amazon. So what you're going to do is come over to Amazon and type in your niche. So if our niche is, let's say it's Etsy, we want to teach people or sell or show people how to make money on Etsy. And so we type Etsy, and you can see there are different books. Now, what you can do is open up these books and not sell the book, but you can look at the different chapters within the books for different ideas and inspiration. For example, if we say starting an Etsy business, we want to look and see what some of those chapters are, and then we can maybe sell a quick blueprint, a step-by-step guide, how to do an individual section within the book. Now, again, I'm telling you to create original ideas, original content, but this could be a good opportunity to create a lower front-end product and then maybe sell an upsell or a coaching on the back end, or even an affiliate product to a course. But you can see this is a really cool idea, and it's really easy. Just go over to Amazon or I guess Best Buy or any e-commerce site, type in your niche or keyword within your niche, and then just search through. But you can actually do this with Amazon. Another way that you can do this is actually with social media. Now, there's a few ways to do it. I'm going to show you all of them, but you can come to social media and then take a look at the links in the profile. This is my profile, of course. If you're looking in the app, I have a link to a landing page. Now, again, you're going to follow the yellow brick road, reverse engineer. You can do this with anything. So we're going to do woodworking like this, hit enter. And we're just going to open up, click links, and take a look and see what's out there, what people are already doing. We could do the exact same thing with Etsy, but this is a real easy way to figure out what's already working in the market, what's popular in the market. What you could do is you could find something and improve it and make it better. Understand where the pitfalls are in the product that is already in the market, and then create something unique. You could even create something that's smaller, a subsection, as I mentioned, and sell it at a lower rate, maybe $5 or $10. But this is a really cool way. Another thing that you can do is you can take a look at Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of information out there. With this one, I typed in digital products, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for blog posts, 6 digital products you can sell. I'm looking for digital products that have already been created. I'm also looking at the different ads. If we scroll down here, there should be an ad. This is an ad from Lightspeed. This could be selling pre-sale templates. This could be selling different LUTs, L-U-T-S. But you can see here, look at this one. Tony Robbins is selling his course. Just scrolling through and being aware of what you're looking at is going to yield you a bunch of different opportunities and ideas. So after social media, you can also take a look at Udemy, see what's happening over on Udemy, what's popping out. Now, the cool thing is if you sign up to become an instructor, there's actually a little a website that will tell you what's in demand and where the knowledge gaps are. And so you could actually go out and create a course where the knowledge gaps are and then sell it directly to the consumer using some of the methods that I mentioned in my previous video. But using something like Udemy can be really, really profitable. And you're just going to click around, really. You should click on photography, and then people are going to be creating videos or creating courses on wildlife photography or drone photography or wedding photography. And then you can actually create a better course based on your experiences. Now look at this. For photography, people are creating courses about DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a free software that people can buy and download to edit their videos. But you can literally create a video on anything. So you can see here that there is tons of opportunities. Another thing that you can use is actually Google Trends. So if we come over to Google Trends is going to tell us what's popular right now and what's been popular over the last, months, weeks, and years. So if we look at this, you can see what's popular right now. It is Pride Month. The NBA Finals just closed up, but we can also see what's popular up to the minute. So if we look at this, Wimbledon, you could create a book about Wimbledon facts if you know about Wimbledon. Brittany Griner, if you can create a blueprint about how to stay safe in Russia. Amtrak, how to stay safe in the train, or what happens when a train derails. Unfortunately, that happened, but you can see that there is opportunity just looking at things that are trending. Let's see, Angels Mariners brawl, Kamala Harris, Ben Affleck. You can see if you just look at this and you have an acute understanding of what's going on in the world, you can potentially make money off of trending topics. But if we come here, we click the hamburger menu on the left-hand side, take a look at trending searches, we can see what's trending today, up to the minute, and then we can also break it down by niche. We can see here, if we scroll through here, you can see there's lots of opportunities. If you start thinking, okay, can I create a digital product? Machine Gun Kelly, you could create how to make music like Machine Gun Kelly and then sell that if you know how to make music. The best New York Yankee hitters of all time, Aaron Judge. You can create different content, or how to hit like Aaron Judge would be a great digital product because he's incredibly popular. Now this only works if you know how to hit like Aaron Judge. If you don't, then that might not work out so well. But Google Trends is incredibly powerful, and it can help you make money if you understand what you're looking at and what people's end result is. Another way that I think would be really powerful is just scrolling Facebook. Now there's a number of ways that you can make money with Facebook. One way is to just scroll through and look at the ads. Now look at this one. This guy is doing high ticket funnels for $97. If we scroll through, we keep scrolling, we can see that there are different ads that pop up. Okay, what's this ad about? This ad is about helping online coaches make money. Okay, that could be an opportunity. So instead of creating a full-blown course, maybe we create an ebook or a step-by-step guide. That's just one way. Another thing that you can do is you can take a look at Facebook groups. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to groups, and I'm going to look at some of the groups that I'm a part of. So let's look at affiliate marketing for everyone. When I take a look at affiliate marketing for everyone, I want to see the problems that people are having. What questions are they asking? Because I can go through, answer all of these questions, I can package it up and then sell it. So if we look through here, I'm going to click the search bar on the right hand side, and then I'm going to type in something like who, or what, or when, or where, or why, how. So if we click search group how, people that are typing in how are usually asking, how do you make money with whatever? How do you actually build a following or get traffic? And when you look at it from this instance, why isn't this working? When you look at it from this instance, you can see that there is lots of opportunity. Maybe no one's asking questions in the affiliate marketing for everyone group. But if we scroll through here, why isn't this working? You can also just manually scroll and see if there are people that are actually asking questions. Could take a little bit longer depending on the size of the group and how engaged this group is on the topic at hand. You can see this group isn't really engaged, but another great way is to look at Facebook groups. You can just go to the search bar in general, and we could type in something like how to create a digital product like this, hit enter, and now we're looking for posts, we're looking for people, we're looking for anyone that is asking questions about how to create a digital product. Now look at this, how to create a poll, not really engaged, but this could even be information as well. We could create a complete guide to Facebook marketing just by looking at these related searches. Now, if we scroll through here, we can take a look and see what people are actually talking about, and we can use this to make money. So just to recap, these are all the different ways. This turned out to be like 9 different ways. Number one, there's 2 ways to do it with Etsy. You can also use YouTube or social media. You can also use different marketplaces. So ClickBank, CJ.com. You can also use Impact or Impact Radius. You can use free ads or free traffic or paid traffic on social media. You can also use Amazon. You can also use Udemy. There's just a ton of places that you can go to find digital product ideas. And one of my favorite ones is actually with Google Trends. So now that you know 9 different places you can go to find digital product ideas, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com to create and sell your first digital product in just 10 days. Click the first link in the description or go to 10daybusinessblueprint.com. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.